Hello everyone! Congratulations to making it this far. We're really impressed with the videos that you made. So here we are to share to you about the instructions for phase 2 of the challenge. So the challenge is called an alarming challenge, and your task is to create a warning system. This system you will use two sensors to detect ground shaking and then trigger alerts. We want you to create two types of alerts for your system. So for the first alert, it's called an internal alert. So this is using just one sensor. So if one sensor is detecting a certain level of shaking, you should produce an internal alert. Then the second alert is what we call a major alert. So a major alert is this is when the second sensor detects a certain level of shaking after an internal alert is triggered. So when two sensors detect a certain level of shaking, then you should create a big warning called a major alert. All right. So your warning system components, the requirement is that you must produce these two outputs. So first is you need to create a dashboard. So a dashboard will communicate about your system, and it should display both your internal alert and your major alert. Second, we want you to create an external alerting device. And this is anything that is creative that will communicate the big major warning of two sensors that actually detecting the shaking. So you can be really creative with this one. It can be light, sounds, vibration, up to you. So, but the objective of this external alerting device is to communicate that a major alert has happened. All right. So what will happen on the demonstration day in September? We will ask you to do a bit of show and tell us your story, your journey, how you've developed your system, and then we will ask you to demonstrate your dashboard and your alerting device according to a certain virtual scenario. Okay, so what is the virtual scenario? Basically, our CRISiSLab team will create a simulated earthquake, and this data we will feed into your system so you'll be able to demonstrate to us your dashboard and your alerting device. We will also set some parameters for you during the day to determine when should these alerts be triggered. So we will tell you what is the threshold, and this is the level of shaking that should trigger your alerts, and we will also reveal to you the time interval. This time interval is the predefined time window within which a major alert should be triggered. And all of these are in the instructions, so for more details, please read the instructions. And then, so during the virtual scenario, during the demonstration day, your system must be able to show the internal alert on the dashboard and then the major alert on your alerting device. And this should be produced according to virtual earthquake and set parameters. Okay, so some important dates. We want to check up with you as we go through this phase 2 of the challenge. So we want you to have a checkpoint date with us. So we will set this with you either on the 8th, 9th, or 10th in August. And then your source codes are due on the 8th of September. And we will come together during the demonstration day on the 15th of September. So please read the instructions carefully. What I gave you today is just quite a brief summary of the phase 2 of the challenge. But for more details, please look into the instructions. And just more importantly, really have fun with this challenge. And we look forward to seeing you during the checkpoint and also during the demonstration day. Have fun. See you.